Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port on the Poco F3 aka Xiaomi 11X and Redmi K40 mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the board frame by undoing 11 screws and the flash connector plug. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, undo 7 screws to take out the speaker cover. Be gentle, the antenna is still attached to the speaker. Next, take out the not working charging port by disconnecting the plug and the antenna head. Next, place the new charging port board in the body by securing the connector plug and the antenna head. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the sensor connector and the battery connector, and then place the frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.